ทั้งตึกเลยสัตว์เอ้ยศึกสตง.ที่ปผ.อ่ะแล้วคนเป็นไรปะวะไอ้เหี้ยทำไมเนี่ยใช่ไปข้าวผู้เฒ่าไปที่
Oh my.
Mama may lihat lang ay.
Well, I was just at the office working and it's in the afternoon, so we were on a lunch break and I was just at the office sitting here right here actually. And when it happened, everything's just shaked up all of a sudden and I didn't realize like it was an earthquake, but then I realized it was not stopping, so I just go under my table and put the cover and hide, and I just waited there, hold it, and feeling it, and it was a bit quite a while. It was over a minute shake, so it wasn't just finishing at all. It took the world to me. And after that, I just come out of my table, and then I just realized that it was such a big earthquake. Everything was shaking. I mean, my paintings, the TVs, everything was shaking. In Mandalay, it's so desperate. Mandalay, it's just 12 miles away from the epicenter, and the damaging of infrastructures, the buildings, the roads cracking, airport's tower was just falling, and the bridge, and especially the building damage was so severe, and people are just they so shocked. People are just desperate, devastated, and when I see the damage at the bridges and the roads, it was so huge. I have never seen anything like that in my life before. This is so severe, and Mandalay is nothing. We can't the communication is down, so we have no idea, how our friends and families are okay or not. Yesterday, it was after immediate effect. The connection was such a huge problem, and we were just trying to have the information, from the news and checking out how it was. But we were so astonished when we see the situation in Mandalay. Everything is like gone, and people are still trapped, and the casualties and everything is still counting. We had our teams, our Go team, already on the way to Mandalay just within 24 hours of the hit, and we're sending we are mobilizing all our resources as much as we can. So more teams are now going there, because the road situation and all of that. We're trying to have more resources in there to assess the zero ground situation, the ground zero situation, and we're also coordinating with all the respective our partners, our stakeholders at all levels. Whatever we could do, we're doing that, and we will be looking at the needs from the ground zero, and so we're mobilizing our resources there right now. And we're still having aftershocks coming in as well. So access is the critical issue. And also another main challenge will be communication, because we're not seeing a lot of information flowing coming in. We're just having, limited information because of the mobile phones are down and the internet, we don't know. So we can't get any of access. So these two things, access, communication, are the main challenges for us.
စာပေဆောင်ဥစဉ်ပြိုရလားစာပေဆောင်ဥစဉ်အသေးပြောက်တောင်ရှိပါတယ်ဒီမှာအသေးပြောက်ရှိတယ်တနေ့ကိုထိုင်းနေလို့နေပါပဲဆရာကောင်းရတယ်ပြီးစိတ်တာစိုးရိမ်နေတာ